Fix Wi-Fi not working on Mac after Macos BigSur update. Reset your Wi-Fi router. To reset the router, unplug it from the power source, and wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and press the power button to turn it on. Try to connect to a different network. Try to connect your Mac to a different wireless network. If you have the possibility, share your mobile network using personal hotspot to check if your Mac can connect to it. If your Mac connects to a different network, it indicates that the router is the problem. In this case, your internet service provider might be experiencing technical difficulties. You can also try to connect to the same Wi-Fi network with your other devices. If you have another Mac, check if the other Macs can connect to the same network. If you see other devices successfully connect to Wi-Fi, the issue is with your Mac. In this case, the next step is to check for software updates. Check for software updates. In the upper menu, click on the Apple logo and go to System Preferences, click on Software Update, and wait while your Mac searches for updates. If your Mac finds any updates, update your software. Restart your Mac. You can reboot your Mac in two ways. First option, go to the Apple menu, located in the upper menu, and click on Restart. The second option, hold the power button on the back of your Mac, and wait for it to shut down. Then turn it back on. Disconnect all devices with a USB connection. Try to disconnect all devices plugged into USB ports like external hard drives, dongles, etc. It might seem unnecessary, but sometimes connectivity issues might occur due to the hardware interference with connected USB devices. Reset non-volatile random access memory. Shut down your Mac. On your keyboard, locate Option, Command R, and P keys, and press them at once as soon as you turn on your Mac. Hold the keys for 20 seconds and then release them. Reset System Management Controller. To reset SMC on MacBook with T2 chip, turn off your MacBook. On your keyboard, press and hold down Control Option and Shift keys for 7 seconds, then, while pressing the keys, press the power button and hold all 4 keys for another 7 seconds, release all keys and boot your Mac. To reset SMC on MacBook without T2 chip, turn off your MacBook. On your keyboard, press and hold down Control, Option, and Shift keys. While holding them, press the power button, and hold all of them for 10 seconds, release all keys and boot your Mac. To reset SMC on desktop Mac, turn off your desktop Mac, and unplug the power cord from the power socket. Wait for about 15 seconds for Mac to reset and plug it back in. Then wait for 5 more seconds and turn on your Mac. Create a new Wi-Fi configuration. Disable Wi-Fi connection. Open Finder and choose a location. Then create a folder in that location and name it BigSur Wi-Fi Backup. Go to the upper menu and click on Go. Then click on Go to Folder. In the path bar, enter the line /library/preferences/system configuration/. In the open window, select these files: network interfaces.plist, com.apple.wifi.message-tracer.plist, com.apple.airport.preferences.plist, and preferences.plist. Drag them to your created folder. Restart your Mac and enable Wi-Fi. Create a new network location. Click on the Apple logo and go to System Preferences, go to Network, select your Wi-Fi, and next to Location, expand the drop-down menu. Click on Edit Locations, then, in the pop-up window, click on the plus button and name it BigSur Wi-Fi or something similar. Click on Done, then click on the Advanced button. In the TCP/IP tab, click on Renew DHCP lease. Next, go to the DNS tab. Click on the plus button and enter 8.8.8.8. Then click on the plus again and enter the 8.8.4.4 server. Then go to the Hardware tab. Expand the drop-down menu next to Configure and select Manually, then expand the drop-down menu next to MTU and select Custom. enter the value 1492, click on OK, and click on Apply. Thank you for watching.